Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will model this 90-degree elbow in Solidworks. I will use this drawing to create this part. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I am using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in Solidworks interface. So first of all, as usual, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters grams second. Let's go to our drawing, and here we will start by making this arc of 260 and these two lines of 150 and 150, and then we will use sweep command. So let's go to here, front plane, sketch, and here I will create one line like this, and then I will go back to this line so that it will convert into an arc like this, and then I will create another line like this. So the dimension of this line is 150 and this dimension is also same. So I will give it equal relation, and this arc is tangent to this line. Okay. Now the dimension of this arc is 260. And you can see that sketch is turned into black, which means it is fully defined. I will go to my drawing, and here you can see that the inner diameter of this elbow is 210 millimeters, and the outside or the outer diameter of this flange is 210 plus 40 plus 40 is 290 millimeters. Okay, we will create this flange in the end. So go to Solidworks again, and I will exit this sketch. I will go to here, features, swept boss space, and here I will use this option, circular profile, and here you can see the preview. I will change this diameter to 290 because this is the outer diameter. Now I will apply the thickness or thin feature to this elbow. So go to here, thin feature, and here I will choose thickness of 40 millimeters, and the direction must be inside like this in order to match with this drawing. Here you can see 210 and 290. Okay. And I will select OK. Now I will go to here, evaluate, measure, and this outer diameter is 290. Also this inner diameter must be 210. So it is correct. Next is we will create these flanges. So first I will create this flange. And here the dimensions are given in the side view. This is the section view. So this dimension is 360 by 360. Go to Solidworks. I will select this face, sketch. I will go to here, center rectangle. This dimension is 360 and this dimension is also 360. So go to Solidworks. This dimension is 360. I will select this line and I will select this line and I will make it equal. Let's convert this circle. So select this circle, convert entities. Okay. And now I will go to here, features, Extrude Boss, and I have to extrude it reverse. The thickness is given as 50, as you can see here, 50 millimeters, and select OK. Next is we have to drill these 4 holes, 4 by 33 through holes. So go to Solidworks again. I will go to this option, Hole Wizard, and then hole. The standard is NC metric, type screw clearances, hole size is M30, and here I am choosing this option normal, so hole would be 33. Okay, I will go to here position, and here I will draw 4 holes like this. We will dimension it in the end. I will go to here line command, center line. First I will make 4 center lines. So this line is parallel to z-axis. Similarly, this line is parallel to y-axis, and this line is parallel to z-axis. And this dimension is 260 here and 260 here. So go to smart dimension and let's make it 260. Select this line and make it equal. Still it is not fully defined, so let's make it fully defined. Let's make one center line like this, and I will select its midpoint, and I will select the origin, and I will make it coincident. Now you can see sketch is fully defined. Select OK, and you have created 4 holes. Similarly, we will do this operation here as well. Select this face, sketch, and I will create a center rectangle like this. Select this line, and make them equal. This dimension is 360. And also I have to convert this circle, which is 290. Go to features, extruded boss base, and extrude it 50 millimeters. Reverse direction and select OK. Now we will do the same operation here. So go to here hole wizard, select this face, and then select this one, hole, NC metric, screw clearances M30, and normal. So these holes are same. Go to here position, 3D sketch, and here first I will create 4 random holes like this, and then we will dimension it in the end. Let's make 4 center lines like this. This line is parallel to x-axis. This line is parallel to x-axis, and these 2 center lines are parallel to z-axis. This dimension is 260, and this is also 260. So let's make it 260. Select this line, and make them equal. Still, it is not fully defined. Let's make it fully defined. First, I will create a center line like this. Also, I will create another center line like this. select this center point, select this center point and make them coincident. Now you can see sketch is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. And now we have created these 4 holes as well. Now we will apply fillet on the sharp edges. So the fillet is R20. We have to apply the same fillet on both flanges. So go to Solidworks, fillet, and change it to 20. Select this edge, select this option. OK. Similarly, go to fillet option again, select this edge, select the similar edges, select OK. Now we have to apply a chamfer of 10. So go to Solidworks again, this time chamfer 10, select this circle, select this circle, OK. Also we have to apply fillet on the back of this flange, which is this one, as you can see, this one, R10. So go to fillet, this time 10 radius, select this circle or this edge, select this edge, OK. Now we will apply some appearance or color to this elbow. So go to here, appearance, metal, and I will go to here, chrome. Let's apply chromium plate, or maybe satin finish chrome. Okay, that looks perfect. You can see the section view. Like this. So that's how you can create 90-degree pipe elbow in SolidWorks. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.